Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add discount price on Shopify. So we have a different ways to display discount on your Shopify store, adding a compare at price on your products, building discounts, or like offering bundle discounts. So to get started, you just need to go here on the main dashboard. So here we are going to displaying a discounted price. So you just need to go here on the product section at the left panel. And then here we're going to select a product that we have. So for example, I'm going to select one of my product right here, product sample. And as you can see right here, if you're going to select this product, then you'll find a variant on this product. As you can see, if you scroll down, we have the variant. So if you're going to add a variant here, you can basically display different prices with the different variants. But if you have just want a single product, for example, right? So we're going back here and going to top this one. So as you can see here, this product don't have variants. So as you can see, it has the markdown price from here. So it's basically 210 peso. And if we're going to insert a compare at price, so for example, the original price of this product is like, for example, it's like 350 peso, and now it's 210. Then below we have also the option to charge tax, and basically this is a cost per item. So here you need to take a look how much it costs to manufacture this item. For example, the cost is 95, profit is 115, so the margin is 54.8%. So once done here, you just have to click on the save button right there at the top right. Alright, so if you're going to view this product on your Shopify store, okay, so let's try to go here on your online store and preview this one. And we will directly go to the product. So for example, here, so as you can see, you'll find the product on your store. It shows the markdown price from 350 pesos down into 210 peso. Okay. Now, if you want to a product that has a variant, for example, so go back to products and select the product that has a variant. So here, if you're going to click on the variants, then for example, here we have the sizes and we have the colors. For example, we're going to add the sizes from small to large, right? So small and then medium and then large. All right. So as you can see, we have 3 sizes right from here with some different prices. So if we're going to click on variants, so basically here, you can basically change the price depending on the variants. If you're going to select all the 3 right here, then click on the 3 dots at the right side and then click on edit prices. So as you can see, you can basically edit or change the price for that different variants. So it has the same prices right here. But if you want a specific product or specific variant, you just have to check the box. For example, here, we're going to just select the small size, right? Just check this one and then you can specifically change the discount of this one, right? For example, it's only like $190 or 190 pesos. So there you have it. And the other variants is 200 pesos, the medium and the large variant, right? So once done here, just have to click on save button at the top right. And then let's see the preview of the store. So for example, here, if I'm going to open my Shopify store and go to this product, and then it will show you the different sizes right from here and the different color. So if you're going to select the size, for example, medium blue, or large blue has the different price right here. Small blue has only 190 pesos. So as you can see, different variants with the different prices. Now we're going to add another variant here. For example, going back to the product section. Now this time we're going to add a color variant. All right. So we're going back from here, and then here, let's say we can add a color variant, which is blue, yellow, and red. All right. So as you can see here, let's say we have this ball and we have the different colors. If you click on the drop down menu, we have blue, yellow, and red. All right. You can basically or specifically edit the price of the different variants. For example, if you want to change like this specific color, for example, this color blue, just check the box. All right. Not this one, this on the color blue. Okay, and then you can specifically change or edit the price. For example, this blue and yellow will be like 200 peso. So I'm going to change all that. This one, yellow and red, will be like 180 pesos. So as you can see, if you're going to try a different variants, a different size, and different color, you can specifically change the prices. So if you're going to preview again your changes, right, so just click on the preview icon right there at the top. So there's a preview button here. So if you're going to click on this one, then you'll be directly go to Shopify store. And yeah, as you can see here, you will see a simple product variations. And if you select different sizes or colors, then it will show you the display price. So this will enable you to, add discounts to variants in your Shopify store. Now, another way on displaying discounts, bundle discounts or direct to store discounts, is by going here on the main section. And here we're going to select the option, which is the discounts. All right, right from here. So click this discounts. So as you can see, we don't have the discounted prices here. So we're going to click on create discount. Now, as you can see, we have 4 discount type. So the first one is amount of products, buy X, get Y, amount of order, and free shipping. So we're going to let this free shipping here. We're going to take a look at these 3 types. So the first one is amount of products. Here you can select a specific collection or product that you want to have the discounted price. So for example, here you want to select this automatic discount, and the title will be like less 20% off. Okay. And then once done, we're going to add a discount value. We have options here to select percentage and fixed amount. We're going to select percentage and enter 20%. Applies to specific collection or products. So I'm going to select specific products and then browse your products here and select the product that you want to have this discount. Well, you can basically select bulk items. Just check this box and you will see all the items, or you can just select a specific item here. For example, you want a discount for this variants, small yellow, small red, and once done, click on the add button, right? And once you click on the add button, as you can see, we have other options like availability. So you can just uncheck this one. And then here we have minimum purchase requirements. So here we will like to enter $1. Applies only to a selected product. Okay. And then the combination here, as you can see, less 20% off can be combined with product discounts or discount and shipping discounts. So I'm going to select all of these 3. And then once done, you just have to click on the save discount at the bottom right or at the top right. So if you're going back to our Shopify store, so let's see again the changes. So basically, if you're going to your Shopify store, then actually it will not be automatically show up the discount. So basically it will only show up when they were going to buy or select the payment methods. So basically here it's on sale. So from this product right here, as you can see, if we're going to this, the variation, which is the small yellow and small red, and then here it will not be displayed unless they will have to buy the product, and then they will get the 20% off. Right now, let's go to the another discount type. I'm going to show you the other discount type right here, and this time I'm going to show you the amount of order. So here you can add a discount on the total amount of their order. So for example, select automatic discount, and the title will be like 10% off on minimum spent of $50. So 10% off on minimum spend of $50. And the discount value, you can select the percentage and then type here 10. Now here on availability, you can just uncheck this one. Now here on minimum purchase requirements, you can just set this up to $50. And here combinations, I'm going to just uncheck those options here. And then once done, click on the Save Discount button at the bottom right or at the top right hand corner. So one thing you note that these discounts will not be directly advertised on your store. So you just need to advertise them on your own. So to advertise, you just need to create a section or like announcement bar on your store to display those discounts. Now, last one here, or another discount type that we're going to tell to you is the buy X get Y. So basically, you can have an offer a second product at a discounted price with a purchase of one product. So there you have it. That's how you basically add discount price on Shopify. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.